How to import pattern and use in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. In Silhouette Studio, go to the Library tab. Step 2. Go to the Patterns folder. Step 3. Navigate to the File folder where you've saved the pattern in your system. Step 4. Locate and select the pattern you want to import to Silhouette Studio. Step 5. Select and drag the pattern into the Silhouette Studio library. Step 6. Now go back to the Design tab and go to the Fill panel in Silhouette Studio. Step 7. Go to the Pattern tab, scroll through the patterns, and you should be able to access the pattern you just uploaded to Silhouette Studio library. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.